Welcome to the final day of Cricutmas, day 12. So, in today's video, we're kind of going to be combining two things because they're very closely related, and that will be the Cricut Maker 3 and the Smart Vinyl. Now, when I say Smart Vinyl, please know that I'm talking about both iron-on and adhesive, because for me, vinyl is the product, and your vinyl is either adhesive or it is heat transfer or iron-on vinyl. So when I say Smart Vinyl, please know that I'm talking about both of them. So there are two main differences between Smart Vinyl and non-Smart Vinyl. The first main difference being that the Smart Vinyl is 13 inches wide, so it's able to fit beneath both rollers, and the normal vinyl is 12 inches wide, or 33 centimeters and 30 point some change centimeters wide, for those of us who use the metric system. The other difference between the Smart Vinyl and non-Smart Vinyl is the fact that your Smart Vinyl has a much thicker backing to it, and this is obviously to kind of make up for the fact that we're not using a mat with Smart Vinyl, and to make sure that the blade doesn't pierce through the vinyl and pierce your cutting strip, because the Cricuts don't really have a cutting strip, whereas the Silhouette Cameos, it is something that you can replace quite easily, but with the Cricuts that's not the case. So this obviously comes into play when you are weeding something, or at least, transferring it onto your transfer tape, as it may be a little bit difficult to transfer it on. We're also going to be talking a little bit about the Maker 3, as the Maker 3 for me is something that would be quite high on my wish list if I didn't have one already. I'm very lucky to have one. You might be asking, what is the advantage of having Smart Vinyl, and what is the advantage of having a Maker 3? Well, number one, for me, cutting on a mat is not always the most fun thing to do, let's face it, because you have to stick things down, you have to clean your mat every so often, and you're only limited to 24 inches or 60 something centimeters. It's not always the nicest thing to have to deal with. Cutting without a mat, so cutting Smart Vinyl, means that you can cut a tiny bit wider. I'm not gonna lie, it's not a life-changing amount wider, but what is nice is that you're able to cut much longer. So if you have something that is, a meter long and that you need to cut, then you can obviously use Smart Vinyl and you can use the Maker 3 for that. So that is pretty much one of the main things that I like about it. It works really nicely if you're doing things like wall signs, car decals, those kinds of things. So obviously those are going to be placed on much larger surfaces. If you don't have the patience to have to break everything up into 24-inch sections, then cutting it with Smart Vinyl is quite nice. Now, because I love openness, honesty, and transparency, I'm also going to be sharing some of the downsides of the Smart Vinyl. So for me, one of the downsides of the Smart Vinyl are the fact that because the backing is so thick, it is quite difficult to work with when you're actually pulling the design off the backing. And I know that a lot of people tend to pull the design off the backing and not the backing off the design or off whatever you've cut. Now, this is obviously mostly pertaining to your adhesive vinyl, but I like to flip my adhesive vinyl over and pull the backing off. And mostly I need strong grip tape to be able to do that, or the Cricut brand tape, because the other transfer tape that I have doesn't really work all that well. It doesn't grip it as nicely, which is also a bit of a bummer because I have this massive roll of that transfer tape and I'm going to want to use it, but obviously I kind of can't because it doesn't really work. So that for me is a little bit of a downside, that I have to buy the Cricut tape, although the Cricut transfer tape is actually quite nice. It's a lot thinner, a lot easier to work with, and it has a nice grid on it as well. So is it really a downside? I don't know. You tell me. One of the things that you can buy with your Cricut if you're going to be using a lot of Smart Vinyl is the roll feeder. Now, I unfortunately don't have the roll feeder, so I will put a picture up on this side of what it looks like. But it is quite a useful thing to use when you are using big rolls or cutting big designs, because obviously it maintains the roll of the vinyl and it helps it to feed in and out a little bit nicer. So if you are a fan of cutting a lot of vinyl, and let's face it, the Cricut stuff for me has always been the most aesthetically pleasing things. Even if it's, a tad more expensive than everything else, I'm talking about, purely like the accessories and things like that. they always look beautiful. So it's always nice to have in the background, as opposed to, like, if I had to have a normal mug press in the background, I mean, they're effective, they're obviously very cheap, but they don't look very nice. But these kinds of things always look very pretty. So it's always really nice to have these kinds of things in your background. So hopefully one day we'll have all of those things that I've just mentioned in this cute little background that we have behind us. So obviously, as you can see behind me, the Smart Vinyl and Smart Iron-On does come in a huge range of colors and things like that, and also lengths. So as an example, if I show you these two containers, so this container is your vinyl that comes in your 12-foot length, or for us using the metric system, 3.6 meters. And this one is your standard smaller length. So it's your 1 meter or 0.9 meter length, or a 3-foot length. So you don't have to buy like crazy amounts of it if you don't want to. I mean, you don't have to cut up to 3.6 meters. I think this does work out to be a little bit more cost effective, because obviously you're buying a bigger length than this one does. So of course, in that aspect, it is nice that we're able to, you know, not have to spend crazy amounts of money buying the much bigger length. We can actually buy the much smaller lengths. So the smaller length, which is obviously the 90 centimeter one, 33 centimeters by 90 centimeters, is around 205 Rand or so. And the larger one is obviously the 33 centimeters by 3.6 meters. That is around 550 Rand or so. Now, when using the Smart Vinyl, there's nothing really different that you have to do, which is really nice. Obviously, when you're actually cutting it in the software, the only different thing is that you have to do is you select without a mat as opposed to with a mat. And if you are cutting, you know, multiple different things on multiple different colors and whatnot, and you need to cut some of them with a mat, then you can also select multiple ways, which is really nice in the software. So you can cut some things with a mat, some things without a mat, and you can kind of mix and match a little bit, which is pretty awesome. A little while ago, Cricut sent me a delivery with, I'm not gonna lie, the majority of the stuff that you see behind me. And I was super, super, super grateful to receive everything. So a huge shout out to Cricut South Africa for sending me that amazing package. It was so much vinyl. But the one thing that really got me excited, that I didn't even know that it was available in South Africa, is this one. When I saw the box, I kind of thought it was just an ombre kind of color, which, don't get me wrong, I was super excited about. But then I took it out of the container and I actually saw what it was. So now this is the back of the vinyl. So this is what you would cut into, because it's obviously iron-on vinyl. But now if you kind of open it up, you can see the holographic side of it. It looks very different in different lights, and it also looks different depending on what you put it onto, which is going to be really fun. So I'm super keen to try this out. It also has a little bit of a green hue to it if you look at it in certain lights. I'm always fascinated at how these people actually make and manufacture these kinds of things, but that's a whole nother kettle of fish. So this particular vinyl is the Holographic Blue, obviously iron-on, smart iron-on vinyl. And I have a feeling that this one is going to be pretty much like hen's teeth to find in the shops, because it is so pretty, because it is so unique in terms of the Cricut range, or in terms of iron-on, I suppose. It's also going to be something that's going to be very sought after. So if you see it, I would probably recommend getting some and treating it, you know, with the utmost respect and everything when you use it, because it is super, super cute. They also have a glitter range as well, which is really nice. As I mean, who doesn't love a little bit of glitter? And they have a couple of different colors. So the colors that I have are the silver, the red, and then the black glitter. So it's going to be nice to test some of these out and see how they look as well, because it's going to be very interesting. But they also, what I really like is they actually do a little bit of a swatch on the actual container itself on the one side, so you can see exactly what it looks like when it's actually applied to something, which is pretty unique, obviously, because it's in a box, so you won't be able to see it unless it's outside of the box. So they actually put it outside the box. How nice. They also have QR codes on their packaging as well, so if you do need to know some more info about it, you can just scan it using your phone, and then it'll pop up on your phone, a little article or whatever the case may be that is related to that particular item. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my last day of Craftmas tomorrow. And remember, be kind to someone today. See you soon.